Ngavana wa Kaunti ya Makueni Mutula Kilonzo Junior kwi muthenyani wa Iyoo Nunenganie Isululu Maana Atatu na Miongo Thanthatu na Itano cia KUTETHEESYA ATHUKUMI ma Uiiti ma Nduani kana CHPs ala Maumite Wardini ya Thange Ivingoni Nzambani Kikumbulyu South na Kikumbulyu North Isululu ila Ikwithiwa Imatetheesya vanene Ndambukani Syoo Nzia Imwe ya Kwailya Uiiti isione cia Nduani ainene hospitalini wa Mother and Child musini wa wote Gavana Mutula Mwete kana CHPs nimo meba kuvivyo na mwenende na Isululu ii nisi Imatetheesya kufikia enende kona sionde sia kaunti ya Makueni mulei mulinge na ilipoti.
Gavana Kalawani Isululu valaine na Ngavana Mutula Kilonzo Junior wao watasitetheesya kufikia misi mingi na kuongela ali ya Uiiti va Makueni. Mutula ikosa walame ule anaitambia yeye wetakane wendi walama ongamia Uiiti sione cia Nduani kana lesi wa CHPs.
The unit ya Ivingoni, I have met nearly all of them here at the office na ange during functions, and they wanted these bicycles like nobody's business. Ona ikite to sell up. We have waited for so long to tinda to them na team make and Isululu because they have demanded for these bicycles. In this budget, HQ Nunenganie 6 million shillings. Do you? 6 million. Na itukwati mfadhili enda kudabo number ya Isululu la situ. So we are getting another 1,000 bicycles.
Mutula yendea kueleza serikali wakino ikita mawalanya kifutha kwenye Kwailya Uiiti wa Makueni mbeyange.
Waziri, please take care of these people. Yes, because they will miss. We are already interfering with their families. Yes. Kutuongele mapenzi pando, so that then they can continue doing the work that they do. So we want to appreciate you in a very special way. So Waziri, that lady who eto Catherine OCHP mwajeo bizini tukuno bizini nage Afrem aye nyumba emba no recognize iwe Kenya I recognize iwe pa ko. Yes, we must do that. The community unit always ingia kito nyine ba. If they have been recognized, let's also recognize them. Aya pe ela mota deba
Utongo TV kuma wote kaunti ya Makueni nyine to mulei mulengam.